welcome! My name is Meij and today we'll be doing something different. Yup, you already know from the title. Welcome to a hairstyles video! Bilang resident hairstylist, aka taga-tirinta sa klase ng high school, lagi akong napapagsabihan ni mama kasi ang galing ko raw magtirintas ng iba pero hindi ko man lang masuklayan yung sarili ko. Opo, sorry na po, kaya ito na po, nagtatali na po ako ngayon. Pero pagdating sa pagsusuklay, medyo ibang usapan pa rin yun. Anyway, today in this video, I prepared and chose 7 hairstyles for the 7 days of the week. Para, if you don't know what to do today, well, I have some ideas for you. I made sure that they're easy, pero cute. And most of all, perfect para sa mga tamad na tulad ko. I'm excited, let's go! For Monday, we'll do little braids on either sides of the face. Side part or center part is okay, whichever you like. Make 2 little sections like this, just a little behind the ear. Then, keep the rest of the hair out of the way for now. Next, take a small portion and divide it into 3. We'll begin a French braid, so for the first stitch, do a normal braid. Left over center and right over center. Or pwede ring right una tas left. Then, sa mga susunod, pick up some hair, join it sa ilalagay mo sa center, example left, and then saka mo i-cross over center. Repeat lang ulit sa other side as you go down until you run out of hair. Tie it with elastic and then just do the same thing para sa kabila. Once that is done, join them together sa ilalim. So yes, this is the final hairstyle. It is actually a bit subdued and not very in your face obvious. Mondays are tiring. Let's keep Tuesday simple but cute. Take some hair in the side front and making sure to angle it pababa, not pagilid, begin twisting. This is to make sure na hindi siya nakalitaw pag naka-front view ka. Then, secure sa back with a bobby pin. Repeat the same process lang sa kabilang side. And if you want, pwede rin namang ipin lang din sa gilid instead of sa likod. That's Tuesday! Pero, if that feels too plain and boring pa rin, then use fun hair clips para mas masaya. Pwede pala na dalawa or silang gamitin. Your choice! For Wednesday, let's raise the energy again with high double buns. Part down the middle as if gagawa ng pigtails. Then taking whichever ang una mong matripan, twist into a high bun. Location-wise, I do it medyo sa upper side near sa back. I'm using white hair ties for this para lang may extra detail. To serve as accent na rin and pop out since I have dark hair. If you've always wanted to try this hairstyle but feel like baka di bagay, this is now the sign to try it. I felt that way too before and feared being judged for seeming too childish. But it's easier and happier to live life doing what you love as long as you're not hurting anyone, right? Take out some hairs to frame the face a bit. We want a slightly messy, worn-in kind of style. Para maiba, I'm going to accessorize this up too. Not on top but dito sa ilalim. Pang pin na rin pag medyo loose dito, kaya parang 2-in-1 solution na siya. Halfway through the week. Thursdays. I used to be so lucky in my schedules with you. Used to be. For Thursday, this is a half up, half down. Pero technically, I'm not going through the middle like this, but instead angling it pataas, kaya parang quarter lang naman siya. I think it's just cuter this way, especially para sa akin a very round face. When I tie my hair high like this, the eyes naturally get drawn upwards and helps elongate my face. Daw, or so I heard. Taking this long thing, I'm going to tie it around sa panali. Dahil mahaba, I'm wrapping it more than once. Tapos experimentally, niribbon ko siya sa ilalim. Top or bottom, I love both. Top is classic, while bottom is unconventional but cute. Oh, lovely Friday! A Friday's active spirit calls for an equally active hairstyle. So first, hatiin sa gitna, choose a side, and itali yung isa. Again, with French braids, begin with 3 strands. Kunin mo yung left and cross over sa center, tapos sunod namang i-cross yung right sa bagong center. Bago may cross ulit yung right, kuha ka muna ng konti and isama mo siya sa right strand, and then saka i-cross sa center. Same sa kaliwa, kuha ulit ng konti, sama sa left and cross sa center. And then paulit-ulit na lang din siyang process until you reach the end. Tapos, once again, repeat the same sa kabilang side. Once you're done with both, stretch out yung braid para di masyado severe and tight tignan. I use white hair ties again kasi yun agad yung napulot ko, and it's a really good choice of color for hair accessories since it goes well with dark hair. Let's move on to Saturday. This is a classic but seems like a forgotten variation on a ponytail now. So first, do a ponytail at your desired height. I like mine high, and I follow this general line from my eye going up. Secure with a tie. After that, I'm going to simply take the tail and braid it normally. Fishtail would be nice, but I have no patience. Secure it with another hair tie once you're done. Then I'll just stretch it out to make it look a bit more relaxed. To liven it up a bit more, I'm going to switch the top to my favorite scrunchie. But this is my only scrunchie after all. Now Saturday is complete. For the last day of the week, pero nauuna sa kalendaryo. I'm going to part my hair to the side. Tapos, I'll take yung side na mas konti and simply clip it. That's it. It's the easiest thing to do, but it really helps the side part look more interesting. Perfect for lazy Sundays. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!